Top 10 Most Lived Animals. Number 5, Giant Turtle Galapagos. Top 10 Most Lived Animals. Today, very few animals can live up to their maximum age for a variety of reasons, such as the possibility of dying from birth, disease, meat eating, bad weather, habitat demolition, or competition between species. However, there are still lucky individuals with very long lifetimes. In this article, we will explore 10 of the longest living animals in nature. 10. Red sea urchins. Red sea urchins are almost immortal animals. They are found in the shallow waters of the Pacific Ocean along the west coast of North America. These small, lovable creatures have the longest life ever recorded, over 200 years. Koi carp, Nishikigoi carp. Although it usually lives for 25-30 years, koi carp life can be up to 200 years. In Japan there is a famous koi named Hangako who died in 1977. When studying the life cycle of the scales on Hangako's body, it was discovered that the age of uncle reaching the threshold of 226 years. 8. Long eel of New Zealand. Derived from New Zealand and Australia, these eels usually live to 60 years, with the oldest living being discovered to be 106 years old. Like the Greenland sharks, these eels grow very slowly. Each year their body size is only 1 to 2 centimeters longer, which is why this species can grow older. Macaw parrot. Macaws can live 60 to 80 years, in which between 30 and 35 years of age are suitable for breeding and reproduction. Unfortunately, the majority of macaques in the wild are now endangered and some are extinct due to habitat destruction and illegal pet trade. African elephants. The average age of an African elephant is about 70 years. In addition, they are a healthy mammal that over the course of their life, African elephants are still fat and massive even when they die. Learn more Africa elephant and 10 special information that interest you. 5. Giant turtle Galapagos. Average giant tortoises can live up to 100 years, and the longest lifespan of a giant Galapagos tortoise is 152 years. The most famous Galapagos tortoise is named Lonesome George Lonely. George has become a symbol of the islands off the coast of Ecuador, where there is a unique system of plants and animals, and also an inspiration for the naturalist Charles Darwin to produce the famous evolutionary theory. Curved whale. Curled whales have an average life of 200 years and are the second largest mammal after blue whales. The longest lifetime individual ever seen when its body was stabbed by a TB, dating back more than 100 years ago. 3. Greenland shark. This fish can reach the age of 200 years. In it, an individual was found at the age of 400, officially became the oldest vertebrate in the world. They live a long way, in part because the development of a body is rather slow. Each year, the species grows only about 1 centimeter in length and reaches about 100 years old to reach maturity. Clam Arctica Atlantica. This species lives in the Atlantic Ocean. Some clam collection was over 400 years old. The highest life expectancy for this species is 507 years. Belonging to a clam named Ming, also known as Half Run. This Ming name is set in the Ming Dynasty 1. Jellyfish immortal. If the adults wish to return to their childhood, the immortal jellyfish do not wish to do so. Immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis stornii, live in the Mediterranean Sea. Whenever they are injured or stressed, they will immediately return to their original shape as a jellyfish. Young is born through transdifferentiation, that is, at this time, the jellyfish body will regenerate itself completely new cells and tissues. With such characteristics, biologically, this jellyfish will live forever. But in truth, they will die when eaten like other animals.